up? Here's your water. My sister's drinking. But we're making a YouTube video today. So, we're going on a trampoline. You know me. I go on the trampoline every day. You know, on my simple. You guys can look at the puppets now. So, you guys can look at. This is all my fidgets. There's a bunch of them in that bag. Right, front flip. I want to do a front flip. Okay. Oh, guys, it's so bright. Right.
Does your shoes pee?
Nah. I just brought a bounce here with my shoes on.
Wait, red snake! I hope you want this red snake, guys. Yellow.
Yeah, so guys, you can look at my new fidget spinner. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Look at it, just look at it on camera. Wow. It's a poppet as well. Look, you film me popping it. So look at this. Then listen, loud side. It's really good.
Bounce.
Bouncy time. Bounce. Do you want to trade?
Yeah, the tree.
Actually, not just now. I'm making vids. I want to upload. By the way, subscribe, turn notifications on. Hope you have a good day, by the way.
Yeah, and I hope you have a snaky day.
A bad joke.
You just hear another joke.
Right, okay, so guys. Right? So look. I'm gonna do that, okay? But then into a front flip. Okay, so don't bounce, Jess. Hey, that was so fun. I don't actually spit like that, I spit like this. So, hot tub. Got a hot tub working.
Mommy, now you can come and play with me.
Just got a hot tub working.
See, I need this.
It had error codes, so. Okay. Look at my shadow. I'm gonna get out of the trampoline. ASMR.
I think when it's frosty, it really kills it.
ASMR.
I have heard though, Rob. I have heard that if there's
Bye.